architects of tomorrow. Because the world is going through a phase transition. It will create a multi-trillion-dollar opportunity that could benefit humanity as a whole. We have robotics coming, where by the end of 2040s, we'll have over 10 billion humanoids working alongside us. So are we ready for the future?
Ladies and gentlemen, I give you Dr. Mark van Rijmenam.
Dr. Mark van Rijmenam.
It's a pretty good song. I think it's pretty catchy. Well, I'll let you in on a little secret. It was created entirely with AI. What I did is I used ChatGPT to analyze the website, came up with a script, and that resulted in the lyrics, which I put into Suno.ai. 2 minutes it took me to create that song. That's the future we live in today. Because we are moving to a digital renaissance. This is a renaissance that takes 3 to 5 or 10 years. And in those years, it will completely change how we run our society. I'm going to take you onto a journey into the future about how the world is going to change in the coming years. I am an architect of tomorrow. I help organizations design and build better futures. And I like to live on the cutting edge of tomorrow myself.
Mark has conducted the first TEDx in virtual reality, created the first human digital twin, the person with the first book written by ChatGPT, and delivered a TEDx talk side by side with his digital twin.
Dr. Mark has inspired over 100,000 executive leaders across Fortune 2000 companies in over 30 countries.
He is recognized as the world's best futurist by global gurus and a leading voice in AI by Salesforce.
He is also the founder of FutureWise, an AI company that helps you cut through the noise of information overload to obtain more wisdom on fast-changing topics using hyper-personalized insights from trusted sources.
Future is rapidly approaching, and we are currently on board of a bullet train, has no intention of stopping, is actually speeding up. And as a society, we have to figure out how to deal with that change. And then the question is, of course, now what? Now, what do we do? How can we leverage this disruption that's coming our way, this tsunami of change that is coming our way? How can we leverage that and create a society that is better for all of us? Enter the wave forward. And it consists of 4 steps. The first step is we need to watch for signals. We need to understand what is going on across the horizon. To watch means to collect data, a lot of data, wherever you can, ideally in a responsible way. The next step is to adapt. If we understand what's going on, if we can see what's coming, we can adapt. But we want to do so with a long-term purpose. All the foundational models that we're building today will be the foundations of the AI that will run our society a few years from now. Then we have to verify all that we're doing. So we have to verify all our data, everything that we do, especially in an era which is defined by deepfakes. We need to verify our data in order to trust in a world that's changing so fast. The final step is to empower all stakeholders to drive innovation. We need to understand how the world is changing and how is it impacting your business line and your industry.
Dr. van Rijmenam is a prolific writer. He has published over 2,000 articles, 3 academic papers, and 6 books. His latest book, Now What? How to Ride the Tsunami of Change, offers a completely novel approach to a business book, fully integrated with his digital twin.
It's great seeing Mark present today. I really loved hearing how he distills information, uses the latest technology in his presentation. It's really unique when someone's able to not only talk about the future, but embed that future into their presentation. It's just a really immersive experience, and I really enjoyed it today.
The future is here. You want to be the organization that leverages this technology and improves your business. With the right approach, you can shape a future where AI enriches our lives, solves complex problems, and ultimately serves humanity. Let's harness the power of AI and create AI that will benefit humanity as a whole instead of a select few. Thank you very much.